Telangana Flash News 24/7, the first and only English news channel in Telangana. Central Railway Recruitment 2017, 2,196 apprentice posts. Central Railway has published a notification for the recruitment of 2,196 apprentice vacancies in various trades like fitter, welder, carpenter, painter, tailor, etc. And eligible candidates can apply online from November 1st to November 30th. It has already started on November 1st. You have time till November 30th. And the age limit for this is 15 to 24 years as on 1st November 2017. Age relaxation is applicable as per rules. Okay. For SC, ST, OBC is given. Educational qualifications should be 10th pass or its equivalent with minimum 50% marks in aggregate. Okay. And the application fee is ₹100 through SBI payment gateway by using debit, credit card, internet banking, SBI Challan, etc. And no fee for SC, ST, PWD and women candidates. Selection process is purely on the merit basis. Okay. And you have different clusters here. In Mumbai cluster, 1,503 posts are there. Every detail is given here. You can go through these details. And next is Bhusawal cluster, 341 posts are there. Carriage and wagon depot, 81 posts. All various posts are there in this. Next is Pune cluster, 151 posts. Nagpur cluster, 107 posts. Sholapur cluster, 94 posts. And the important dates I have told you earlier, November 1st to 30th of November. And for further more details, you can log on to the official website www.rrccr.com. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and to get instant updates in education and jobs, click on the bell button towards the right top of the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.